boy j.koolii back with another video. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I got another banger for y'all. It's like, no, this is just a car review, but today's car review is gonna be on my 2020 Charger Scat Pack wide body. I'm saying white knuckle. I got black accents everywhere, and it's not completely stock, so you might see some things you don't see from factory. I'll tell you the differences, and let's get into it. All right, first thing I want to talk about is these wheels. So for the 2020 wide bodies, it's 305 35/20s all around, all four corners on Pirelli P0s. The wheels they come with is the Speed Warp and the Devil's Rim. These are the Speed Warps, and I got black Brembo brakes. Check it out. Now with the Brembo brakes, there is a red option, so you can get black or red. I'm not sure if they have another color, but I kind of like the black. It's different, you know. Everybody want to get the red interior, all that stuff. Gotta switch it up sometimes. I'm gonna go to the front end. As you can see on the 2020s, there's a totally new front end. People were saying like that there's no change, they just added flares. They actually changed the whole body kit, so the front and the back ends are different. So as you can see, there's no more fog lights for the Scat Packs. Those are air channels for the brakes, and it's like two separate wide grills in the middle. And they also have like the Durango slit right here. It is functional, air does come through there. And this one is equipped with the LED lights. I'm gonna come over to the side. Still got the same 392 emblem on the side. This one does have the sunroof option and the blind spot monitoring system on the mirrors. Of course, you got your keyless entry, lock, unlock from here. I'm gonna come over to the back. Still got the gills coming off the side. Of course, the taillights don't come black, but still got double exhaust pipes at the back, and they changed the bottom diffuser at the bottom. So I'll let y'all take one more good look at the car. We're gonna go to the hood now. As you can see, it's the same hood from the 15s through the 19s. Nothing different, it's just one insert. There's no Hellcat hood or anything like that. And this came white from the factory, so because I had it custom done, because it's a lot cheaper. You can save some money on options if you get it done yourself. I got the sunroof. This is a must, at least for me. And of course, you still got the black spoiler on top. Got the black Charger symbol, and of course the Scat Pack B on the back for the 19s and 20s. That came white too. And of course you got the infamous splitter guard, or factory shipping guard, whatever you want to call it. I made it pink so people would take them off or whatnot, but I kind of like it. I might paint it a different color, but we'll see. rear of the 2020 Charger Scat Pack wide body. We're gonna talk about what's new, what's different, what's the same. I'm gonna start off up here. So you got the mirror. Of course, you got the assist up there and the SOS. Got your glasses holder. These, if you do have the sunroof, these are the controls for it. Basically, this closes it, this vents it, this opens it, vice versa. These are your garage controls. Now on these dome lights, there are 4 lights. So you got 1, and you got, oh my God, 2, 3, and then 4. So if you ever leave these on, just try to hit one of these, because it might just be one of these on. I'm gonna move down to the steering wheel. Of course, you got your call, your voice, and you got your controls for the cluster up here. And you have your cruise controls. Got your paddle shifters. Of course, they don't come like this, but you can buy these off Amazon if you like. Got your windshield wiper control, same as 2015 through 19. You got your power, I don't know if you can see, your power steering wheel control. Up, down, left, right, towards you, near. Got the dome light control, trunk release. For you guys who like to drive around like this, just do this, bro, because your headlights are not on. Just because your daytime running lights are on don't mean your headlights are on. So turn it on, do that for me. All right. Of course, these controls are the same. Got your memory seats if yours come with that. This one is equipped with the black Alcantara seats, as you can see. And it does have a cup holder in the back. Of course, the sunroof, as I said before. This one does have blind spot monitoring. It lights up orange when somebody's in your blind spot. There is a white light on here. I'm not sure what that does. I guess it just turns white when you're in reverse. Let me see if that works. Nope, but they do tilt down if you're in reverse, as you can see. You can take that option off through the menu. That's what the backup camera looks like. Of course, you got your glove compartment. Got a vent on that side. What's new to this is they changed this to a 392 sign. This back in the cart. Of course, you got 2 cup holders. Cover for the cup holders. Give you a little coin rack. You got 2 USBs in here and some storage. This is pretty much the same. Let's go to the interface of this. So we're gonna go start off with the drive modes. This one does have line lock and race options. So you can do launch control. You can change your shift light points to whatever you want it to be. So if you did want first gear, second gear, third gear, all that good stuff, then you can restore it back to factory if you don't like it. This one does come with launch control. Basically, you pick your RPM that you want. Then you activate, hold the brake, hold the gas, release, good to go. All right. Check out. So you got auto, custom. Let's see. Auto, custom, sport, and then you got track. Auto. I like to leave it on auto, save a little gas, eco. You still get the same sounds, but when you put it on track, it does open up a little bit. You can hear the exhaust a little more. Let's see. Of course, you got 4 vents in the front. As you can see, this one does have heated and cooled seats. As you can see, heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer. You can change the settings on all that good stuff. You connect apps. I'm gonna let y'all, you can pause the video if you want to see it or whatnot. I'm not gonna get too in depth into it. Got settings, of course, media. I believe all of these come with like a free year of Sirius XM. Don't quote me, but it's pretty cool. Alright, let's turn that shit off. But yeah, it's a lot of stations and whatnot. So all right, now we're gonna go to the back seats. We're gonna take a look at the engine. 6.4 liter, 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. No cold air intake for the 2020. look pretty much the same. If you see something different, tell everybody. Power Brass RT. Back, storage. Of course, you got your heated seats, 2 USBs, cup holder. And you got like a little storage space back here. Visibility. Alright, so this does have the extension. Can't take this off. Extend it. Alright, just in case you didn't know, it does have lights and whatnot. Alright y'all, it's your boy j.koolii. I'm out this thing. That was my review of the 2020 Charger Scat Pack wide body. I'm out this thing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and peace.